Hello, my name is Mason Cawson, and I'm here to introduce you to the Campus Safety app, which was made by my fellow group members Nathan, Colton, Ladd, Salvatore, and I. We are all aware of the potential dangers that we can face while in college when it comes to things like walking back from a late night class or going out for a drink or an event on the weekend. That's why we wanted to design a simple yet effective app to allow users to gain an extra sense of security. Normally, when heading out to someplace, you can let your friends know where you're going or maybe post about it on your socials. But what if you forgot about one friend, or if someone saw your social media post that wasn't supposed to? With Campus Safety app, this can be avoided by only allowing the people you know to have a centralized place to check up on your plans. It also gives you the ease of asking for a friend to join you and asking someone for a ride. You might even want to just give your location to your friends, which our app allows you to do with the ease of a click of a single button. And if you find yourself in a potentially dangerous situation, our application provides a host of capabilities to assist you in your safety with our emergency suite, including a quick way to contact 911, a panic button, a way to send a request for someone to call you or record a video, and a fake call capability. The technologies used to make this possible first start with Google's Firebase platform, which allows us to provide these services to users through various technologies. With Firebase's authentication, we can utilize a fast and secure way of allowing users to create an account and assists in making sure a user's sensitive data isn't an easy target for a person with malicious intent. Firebase's Firestore allows us to track information about users like their current friends and friend requests that pairs nicely with Google's real-time database to reliably deliver updates to a user's friend when it comes to their plans that they have posted about and updates to their location. Finally, through Google Maps platform, we can display the current locations of friends to the user in a familiar user interface. I'm now going to hand it over to Colton to show how to get.
Hello everybody, my name is Colton Anderson and today we will be showing you how to create an account, log into that account, and then add friends via that account. So obviously the first step in this is going to be to click which will then take you to the create account page where you'll enter in all of your information. And then from there, you're just going to create that account. And once that account is created, you'll see that little notification button at the bottom pop up that will signify that correct account made. And then to log into that account, you're going to use the exact same information you just used. So email, and then password. And then we're going to click login. And as you can see, this will bring you to the home page of the app. And from there, to get to the friends page, you're going to click the hamburger menu at the top, go to friends, go to the add friend button here at the top, and then you're going to go ahead and type in the name of the email of your friend's account. So in this case, and then go ahead and submit that request. And as you can see on the bottom there, it will give you a successful request sent message. And then if you're done sending out friend requests, you can just back out of here. And once your friend accepts that request, their name will populate in a list right here. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Nathan, and I'm going to be showing you how to accept a friend request, send out status updates, and how to see those updates. So to start off, we're here in the friends list, and what we can do is click on the request button. If you have any friend requests, it'll be a drop-down menu. Right now I only have one, so I'm going to go ahead and accept it. It's been accepted, so let's go ahead and go back to friends list. Alright, he's appeared. So now we can go back to the home page and start making So I clicked on that button called Post a New Status at the home page, and you can see 4 buttons here. We have Toggle Location Tracking, which allows your friends to see your current location. So let's hit Heading Out To. You can pick an address that you're telling your friends that you're going to and when you plan on being back. Let's just put 21 Easy Street and 9:48 p.m. So you set the status and your friends will receive it. Next, request friend to join. You're just selecting one of your friends and asking them to join you somewhere. So let's just say, join me at 5 Points. And the request has been sent. Alright, now we can do request ride. So again, my only friend, let's just say 21 Easy Street. And now this update is going to be sent to your friend requesting a ride at 21 Easy Street. Now, to see all the updates that you've made, we can go back to the home page. Click on the big button that says Updates. And you can see all 3 of these are from me. And I'm requesting a ride, requesting for Lad Jackson to join me at 5 Points, and telling everybody that I'm going to 21 Easy Street, and I plan to be back at 9:48 p.m. All of your friends will be able to see this, including yourself.
Hello, my name is Sal Gentinoto, and I'm going to be walking you through both the Friends profile screen as well as the emergency suite of our application. So to start, a user can view their Friends profile by clicking on the drop down in the top right here. So if you click that, you can go right to Friends. Now from here, I can click on each individual's name within the friends list. So I can click Lad Jackson or Nathan, and then the app will bring me to their profile page. So if I just click Nathan's here, I can see several things, including his email, phone number, and recent messages, which consists of the different status updates he's posted to the app. The first one at the top, for example, reads, going to 21 Easy Street. I'll be back by 9:48 p.m. Additionally, it includes a timestamp at the top for me to see when this message was originally posted, which in this case was 9:47 p.m. Now, exiting from this screen is as simple as using the back arrow a few times, like so, and boom, now you're back. I'm going to walk you through the various emergency buttons implemented within the application. And so there are several. We have call 911, request a call, request a fake call, a record audio and video, and a panic button. So first, the call 911 here, this does exactly what you would assume. It instantly dials 911 on the user's mobile phone and begins calling right away. So this is a great feature for someone who may not have enough time to physically dial 911 themselves. And you could see here, when I tap 911, alert, and my phone goes right to 911. Now, another feature of our application is the record audio and video button, which when pressed, triggers the user's camera to automatically open and begin recording. So if I go and do that here, see now we have turning on camera, can start the video, stop it, boom. And third, so we have also a request call button, and this can be pressed by the user if they're ever in danger, as it will instantaneously send an SMS text to all the contacts in your friends list. So if I was to press this button now, like so, you see I get the little alert here, message sent, and then I can actually go back to my messages now here and see that I've sent 2 messages to the 2 friends on my list, Lad and Nathan. Now, if I want to go inside here, you'll see a text has been sent, and the message tells them that I may be in danger and I need to be called. Additionally, it will send GPS coordinates of my current location at the end of the message. So now we go back here. For our 4th button, we have request call. Not request call, request fake call. So opposite to the request call button, request fake call actually, when pressed, will cause the user to receive a fake incoming call. The call is auto-generated, so there's no actual person on the other side of the line. It's just to imply that you are in the presence of company on the phone and hopefully make someone think that you're not actually alone. So if I go here and I hit fake call, the fake call begins with a random number. And then lastly, we have a panic button, and simply put, the panic button is just a loud alarm for the user. So while my phone's ringer is muted, when pressed, it will play a loud, obnoxious ringtone, and the user will receive a notification on the screen that the alarm has been started. So ideally, this loud sound could be used to draw attention to oneself and potentially scare away any incoming threats or danger. So now if I just go here and show you, press the panic, you can see panic alarm started and I'm back home.
Hello, my name is Lad Jackson. I'm about to quickly go through the map functionality for our application. So you'll see on the home screen this miniature map down here with a blue geodot representing your current location. If we scroll over to the left a little bit, we'll also see a marker representing the University of South Carolina, just so we always know where we are relative to campus. Even more functionality can be found under the full screen map selected from the hamburger menu up here. And when we do, we're showing a map with blue markers on it representing the location of all of our friends. So here's Mason right here. Looks like he's in the middle of Columbia. If we zoom out, scroll over a little bit to the left, we should also see Nathan from where he accepted my friend request earlier in this video. One of the great parts about implementing Google Maps into our project is that for any friend found on the map or any place that we search, we can automatically route to that location or pull up that specific location in Google Maps. And another key item of functionality, like I said, is the ability to search for any location. So let's say all of our friends said that they're going to 5 Points tonight and we've never been. So we got to figure out how to get there. We just type in 5 Points and it should give us a list of places with 5 Points in the name. So we just select the first item from the list. And when we do, a green map marker is placed showing the location that we just requested. Again, with any friend or any other marker, we can automatically route to this or we can pull it up in Google Maps. This concludes our presentation on the campus security application. We really hope that the tools that we've been able to provide in this application will help people regain a sense of security and safety as they're roaming around and enjoying good times with friends. Thank you and goodbye.